Hi friends, it's Velvet. I am here on a beautiful Sunday morning with a kit that I have just made. I made this kit yesterday. And of course, the minute I turn the camera on, Baxter starts rolling around growling, trying to get my attention. So apologies for that. So what I have for you today is a 20-piece kit. And it's not really a kit. It's a pack of papers, I will say, digital downloads that I'm going to use in a journal. I think I'm going to start this journal today. And I've actually done 2 different sets. Each set is 10 pages, and I've done a horizontal for a regular junk journal. And then I've done a vertical for a tall skinny. And the pages are all different. So if you know how to resize, you can always use some of these this way and vice versa, more or less. So this is the vertical side that I've done. I am going to call this Distress Floral. All of the backgrounds that you see, like this certificate of promotion, is something that I own that I've scanned, and then I've just used you know, other things to make it pretty. I really, really love how this kit turned out. So this is just one of my coffee dyed papers, and this is a blueprint that I happen to own. Love this one. And these are just some old letters that I have. This is maybe ledger, something with ledger paper, I don't know. Oh, no, it's not. I'm sorry. It is a letter or something. Now Odin's down here bawling his eyes out. I can't win. And this one. Odin, stop. Apologies, I'm going to pause. Okay. And there's this one. I think this one might be my favorite. I like the graph here and the letter. I love these flowers, the butterfly. This one's funny. It's like a book or a movie or something. You can add. Typewriter blueprint. This one's fun too. In this horizontal one, I added butterflies to the pages. In the original Tall Skinny, I did not have butterflies. And so here's the 10 pages for that. I love this one. Hopefully you can see it okay. I might want to stand up so that you can see it. Old magazine page that I have. I love this one. I think this might be the first one that I created, and I liked it so much that I thought I should probably do a series here. And this one's fun too. I tried to add some white to each of the pages too, just for some contrast, so that if you want to use white in your book, you've got something to tie into. I may include a backing paper or two also, just something plain to go on the backs of these pages. I like this one. This one's awful pretty too. Love the colors on this. Nice peachy pink color. I pulled from the Floral Elements. I think I just showed you that one, and then I redid it. Yeah. So this is the original, and I wasn't crazy fond of it, so this is what I ended up with. Just added a little bit more of the white, and I do like it better. Yeah, so that is what I've got. I am going to be working on those. I'm going to try and get them up in my Etsy shop before this publishes, so so that they're there. And yeah, that's it. So if there's anything you'd like to see me do, either create as a digital or do here in terms of a how-to, let me know. Drop me a line, leave me a comment, and I will get to it. So thank you so much for tuning in and for subscribing and hitting like. I do appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye now.